TLE 10, Cookery, Quarter 3, Module 7, Plate and Present Poultry and Game Dishes. Learning Objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to, number 1, enumerate the fundamentals of food plating. Number 2, describe ways of presenting poultry and game dishes. And number 3, appreciate the relevance of the lesson in real life. What is food plating? It is the art of arranging and decorating food to heighten the appearance of a dish and adds value to the dining experience. A perfectly plated dish can upgrade your meal immensely. Through the strategic placing of ingredients, you will automatically view the meal as high value. You are also more likely to enjoy the taste and hold a higher opinion of the meal. Fundamentals of food plating. Number 1, balance. In terms of color, 2 or more colors on a plate are usually more interesting compared to single color. Shapes. Plan for different shapes and forms. Vegetables cut into various shapes will give a great impact. Texture. A good dish will use all the customer's senses to make the dish special. Flavors. Everything on the plate must be pleasing to the palate of the diners. Number 2, portion size. This is important for presentation and costing. Match portion sizes and plates. Too small a plate makes an overcrowded, jumbled, and messy appearance. Too large plate makes the portions look simply. Balance the portion sizes of the various items on the plate. Number 3, arrangement on the plate. Avoid overcrowded or decoration on the plate. Number 4, garnish. Is an item used as a decoration and accompaniment of a prepared foods or drinks. In many cases, it may give added and contrasting flavor. Here are the ways of presenting poultry dishes. For vertical, horizontal, or angled forms. Plating trends can include sculptures, and foods build up in layers to create height. Number 2, landscaping. This inspiration from landscape gardens, not just a plating trend, but has also been the influence for many items of tableware such as miniature watering cans, which are ideal for serving chips, onion rings, and other side dishes. Freeform. Freeform plating is the ultimate abstract form of food presentation, best compared with a style of painting. There are no rules when it comes to the design of freeform, but it involves plating a dish in a seemingly random but intriguing. Garnish ideas for poultry and game dishes. Roast or fried chicken may be served in a border of celery or fried oysters, or with a simple garnish of parsley or cress. Roast duck is attractive with endive and slices of oranges and olives, or with rice cups filled with currant jelly. Roast goose goes nicely with broiled sausage, dollops of gooseberry sauce, apple or barberry jelly, or cooked rings of apple. Roast quail pairs well with artichokes and cubes of currant jelly. To spruce up a plain chicken dish, use rows of fresh green beans or glazed carrots around the meat to add color. Some other garnishes for meat are Parmesan cheese, fresh herbs such as tarragon or thyme, lemon wedges, cherry tomatoes, colorful sauces, Greens such as Swiss chard or spinach, chopped tomatoes, mixed greens, simple side salad, sauce or salsa.